So it shows you, this is a continuation of the previous video, but it shows you what the polarity should look like on the device. So I noticed that this device shows this polarity. The inside is a negative and the outside diameter is a positive. So which means you have to plug in the tip this way. It should say tip, and then the negative input should show and it should point upward. So you can confirm that the polarity, it shows the inside is the negative and the outside is the positive. Okay, so we'll do that. Basically this is the tip. Yeah, it says tip here and it should basically point upward. So basically we just take this and I'll plug it in, and then there. Okay, so I plugged it in with the tip and the minus sign, and it's pointing upward, and you just push it in and make sure it's snug. It's a snug connection. Okay, so now I thought it's a good idea to actually just test to make sure that I'm getting the right voltage, just to make sure this works, because I don't want to burn out or spoil my label maker. So I'm gonna test it on a multimeter to show that I do in fact get the 9 volts that I'm trying to get. So let's plug it in. That's good. It shows me a green light, which is a good thing, and it's selected to 9 volts. Okay, and I'm gonna turn on my multimeter here, set to voltage, and the range, let's put it to 20 because we want to make sure it's the right range. And I turn it on. Actually I turn it on, 0 volts, and I'll have to test this. So basically the way I test it is I stick in one on the inside and one on the outside, and I do in fact get 9.15 volts. So this looks good. I can probably plug this in safely into the label maker and hopefully it should work. So let's try that. Zara, you want to try it? Okay, I'll try it. And we power it up, and there it works. Yep. So I can use this now, and I don't have to buy a dedicated you know, power adapter for each device. I can use this selectable one, and it's kind of really handy to have.